Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting directly to the WorldLink network so settings apply. Once connected, open a browser and type the router IP, usually 192.168.1.1. Log in with the admin credentials you prepared. You must be an administrator to remove devices, so make sure your account has full privileges. If you used a LAN cable, the session will be more reliable. After login, navigate to the connected devices or client list. This is where you'll identify. You now inspect the list to locate the unwanted device. Look at MAC and IP addresses plus host names to avoid removing the wrong gadget. Once you spot it, select that entry and choose the action, either remove, disconnect, or add to a blacklist. If the router supports MAC filtering, add the device MAC to the deny list so it cannot reconnect. Make sure to save or apply settings. Many routers require an explicit save so changes persist after a reboot. You finish by saving settings and rebooting the router to ensure the device stays removed. A quick restart often finalizes ACL and blacklist changes. If the device returns, change the Wi-Fi password and enable stronger encryption, WPA2/WPA3, then add the offender's MAC to the block list for redundancy. If problems persist, check for guest network access and disable it, or inspect router logs to see how the device reconnects. That helps you address root causes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.